Should be the last play before Rise goes on offense. Uh-oh. Oh! 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 Oh, shit! Oh, I'm sorry for cussing. You guys just got a up close and personal. Oh! Hey! Hey! What's your name, man? Let me holler at you, coach. What's your name? What?
My name is Allen-Pettus.
That boy, that's what's up. This boy, woo-wee! Number 7. Oh my Lord! You can't go back to school. Look at my coach. You can't go back to school after that. We fighting. I'm gonna meet you in the parking lot. Oh my Lord! Number 7. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get an interview with that little dude, man. Wee! Dang, that was stupid. Hey, Gil, if you know his name, man, let me know. I need to find it. Ooh, get on his Instagram. I think you got a minute left before the